What's the meaning of cartilage? Cartilage. Cartilage.
Cartilage. Cartilage. Cartilage is a type of connective tissue that is found in various parts of the body, including the joints, ear, nose, and rib cage. It is a tough, flexible tissue that provides support to the body and helps to absorb shock and pressure. Cartilage is made up of cells called chondrocyte, which produce a matrix of collagen and proteoglycans that give it its unique properties. Cartilage can be damaged or degraded by injury or disease, leading to pain and loss of function. Treatment options for cartilage damage include surgery, physical therapy, and medication.